What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Up first thing this morning, about to get started back on the OBS. Got one package in. Got a couple more coming, but we're gonna get right into it. Show you guys what we about to be doing today, and then we'll go from there. So, package already been open. This is what we got in this package. We're about to replace all the speakers on the inside. So, got some Pioneer tweeters. Damn, dropped it. Pioneer 4x6s. Got the Easy Connect because I'm not running my amp right now. My bad. I had to get this box. So I ordered the door speakers. And somehow, after I ordered the speakers, they told me they was not in stock. So luckily I did have some Pioneer speakers left. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use those. So I'm about to show you those. Do got some clusters for sale. I'm actually gonna use this one right here. So this is the Escalade cluster with the 120 on the dash. Well, no, that is the Tahoe Limited cluster. That's the cluster at my Tahoe Limited because it came with 120 on the dash too. This is the Escalade cluster, 120 on the dash as well. That's gonna be for sale. This cluster right here got 100 on the dash. That's gonna be for sale. And then here are my Pioneer speakers that I already had. So I might just go ahead and keep these. Oh, I got it upside down. I might just go ahead and keep these and cancel the other ones. But so everything Pioneer. I'm not running any speaker wire at this time or zero gauge wire. That is zero gauge OFC wire. I'm not gonna run any of that right now. I will be installing this. This is a Pioneer double DIN. I might do it today. I am not 100% sure, but that will be going in as well today. But as of right now, it's just gonna be these. And I do have, as you can see, some super tweeters. Those will be installed later. I'm getting some custom pods made for the door, and then I might get some kick pods made or something. But right now, I'm finna just hook everything up the factory way so I can get this door panel back in and just get everything set in. So what I'm gonna try to figure out first is these tweeters. I need to clean the speakers up. Let me sit you down real quick. So what I'm gonna figure out first is these tweeters to see if they fit. So that is the tweeter Pioneer. I think I'm gonna use this one right here. Because what I got to do, I got the tweeters to go in this right here. So I got to figure it out on how to get it in there. Alright, so the goal is to make it fit in here. Look like I'm gonna have to do some trimming to get it to fit in here. But let me cut you off when I figure it out, and I'll cut you back on. Alright, checking back in. I got the driver speaker put in. Now what I'm about to do is get the passenger speaker put in. So when I put the speaker in, the window was close to hitting the magnet of the speaker. So what I used was this, and what I did was I cut the speaker out. So I took just took the speaker out and used the ring. So just take all of that. And the speaker old anyway, so it ain't gonna matter. Damn, that hurt. All right, and then you break these little tabs, and the whole bottom part of the speaker come out. And then you just drill your other speaker to the top of that. So let me set you down, do that real quick, and all right, so I broke everything around it, and boom, speaker is out. Then I'm gonna clean this up right here, screw the speaker to it, and put it in there, and it's good to go. That way, if you don't buy speaker rings, you can do it this way. If you have a 90s model OBS, or any truck that come with a snap-on speaker housing, you can do that. So I'm gonna sit you back down and then cut you on once I get the speaker in. All right, then it's gonna sit like that. I'm gonna take my drill hole and secure it down. Cut you back on in a minute. Okay, so I got the whole passenger side taken apart. And when I tell you, well, the whole passenger side and back taken apart, when I tell you, you have to be careful with these pieces. 2 clips right here for this whole little section. I broke those 2 clips. Broke that clip. And I broke a piece off of here. So before I put it back together, I'm gonna have to try to get those somehow put back on. Got the speaker out, as you can tell. And what I'm about to do is put the new speaker in. So I'm gonna get this new speaker put in. More than likely, I'll be using this. More than likely, I'll be using this grill that came with it to put the new speaker in. Yeah, ain't no more than likely. I'll be using this grill to get the new speaker in. So once I get the new speaker in, I'll cut you back on. Well, once I finish everything up, I'll cut you back on. And on the other side, I'll cut you back on and show you how I removed everything on the other side because it's a lot. So let me get this put in, then I'll cut you back on shortly. All right, YouTube. So checking back in. As you can tell, I got the driver door panel back on, passenger door panel back on. So those speakers are in. Haven't did the driver side rear speaker yet, but that one is in. I might go get some self-tapping screws to secure it down better. But what I'm about to do right now is walk through the removal process of this piece right here. You got six screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's 2 more in there. So let me go ahead and get those out. I got stuff everywhere. All right. That's probably what happened. It probably fell out because this is not. So 1, 2. I know I got stuff in my way. Loosen them 2 screws, you just pull that off, and then you got 1 more, 2 more. Okay, so hit all those. Then you gotta take that out. That's a T50. So now you got that out and the loose. Slide your seatbelt off right here. And then you just be careful because it's clips. It's clips behind all of this. You see how that clip slid off? You just gotta be careful. Alright. So we got this bottom one off without breaking any clips. This top one, this piece right here, so you got that one off without breaking any clips. This one just came off, so you can pop that off and slide it back on. This one right here, you have to be careful with. I'm gonna clean y'all. So this piece right here, you gotta be careful with because it's clips right here. I broke them on the last piece, so I gotta fix it. It's clips right here that'll break easy. So you gotta try to be super careful with it. and then you just take the speaker out like normal. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to take this piece off. I'm gonna sit you down while I take it off. So all my clips slid off and those two broke. So that's what I was saying. These pieces right here are hard to get out. So I'm gonna try to glue them back on. But then you just hit these with 8 mils and you good. Replace it and you good to go. So let me take them out and I'll cut you right back on. All right, YouTube, back, checking back in. Finished product, got the door panels in. I did go ahead and put the Pioneer tweeters in there. As you can see, got the new Pioneer speakers back there. Went ahead and put my double din in. Don't mind this little piece right here. I gotta fix it. I might just buy another one, but don't mind that piece right there. I also put in the instrument cluster from my 2000 Tahoe that was wrecked. So you can see that. But all the speakers in, everything placed back like it was. Tweeters in both doors. Sounds good. I'm gonna give you a quick little sound. Your skin. I wanna wrap my arms around you, baby, never let you go. Alright. Cause I don't wanna get copyrighted because I haven't even hell, I haven't even made it to where I am monetized yet. So definitely want to get all the watch hours I can, but it did sound good. This is the end of the video. Make sure you guys hit that like button, comment, subscribe to the channel so we can continue to get this thing rolling. Man, it's hot out here at night. So, I left some in the car. But yeah, so we out. Peace.